Hey there, folks. Today I'll show you how to play Minecraft on LAN with your friend. Playing in LAN is fairly easy. However, note that we'll only be able to play with people connected on the same network.
Oh, please. I know all about this. I'm the best at Minecraft. Hop on the presidential...
Now, it's important to make sure you're all on the same network.
Dude, no one is gonna listen.
Hit escape, then hit the button open to LAN, set up the config you want, and then start LAN World. Your friends will now be able to join.
All right, bozo, I'll start making our Minecraft world great again. I'm cutting some trees.
Don't tell me you're cutting trees halfway through again. It's fucking ugly.
Yup, I sure am.
Okay, help me. Just join my LAN World for 2 seconds.
Okay, bozo, I'll give you a hand.
Shut up. Stop calling me that.
Okay, what do I do now?
First, are you at the White House?
Yes.
Okay, so am I. Click on multiplayer.
Yes.
Now, do you see the name of my world appearing under your server list?
I see. Ligma.
Ligma? No, it should be called free.
Ligma balls? LMAO? Okay, I'm joining your game?
Bro, you're legit acting like a 12-year-old.
Yeah, don't care. Stay mad. Where are you?
I'm near spawn. You should find me fairly easily.
Yeah, I see your fat ass over there.
Bro, you need some chill, no cap.
What is that weird skin, Obama? And oh Lord, I'm beautiful.
I didn't pay for the game on this account.
Sounds like a broke ass to me. Can't relate. I have billions in my account.
Unlike a certain someone, I pay my taxes.
Boring. Let's go back on the presidential server.
I agree. Where is Sleepy Joe?
He's taking a nap. This week debate was too much for him.
No shit, you keep building walls between your house and his.
Hey Obama, I found oil.
Where?
In a country named Sugandis Tan.
Where is Shugandi's tan?
Sugandis nuts, you bozo. I'ma send you back to Afghanistan.
All right, I think it's enough for today.
Yep. Make sure to hit the like button if you haven't already. Subscribe
Hey,
to our
stop.
channel and take care. Okay, how do I stop the recording?
Ouch, stop. Seriously, what the hell is wrong with you?